Welcome students to my channel. In my previous class I have given you the solutions of RS Agarwal math book of exercise 7a. This is your exercise 7a, and rest of the math I have given you as homework. Okay, this was your homework. This math. Hope you will able to do it. That is up to question number 22. Here question number 22 is given. Now after that, here question number 23 starts. 23 24. I hope that you are able to solve it. And now if you are not solved it, let me know that this math I am not able to solve. I will help you. Next come to CC questions. CC questions, as always CC questions are given here. CC question each of MCQ, that is of marks 1. There are various questions are given here related to this surface area, area. Okay, CC question paper. Here are more exercises given, true false, and this matching assertion. Okay, this is given. Now you are suggested to do it yourself, the CC question paper. Page number 245, CC question paper. Okay, you are suggested to do it yourself. CC question paper, you can take help from your book. Your book will help you. It is given in your book some solutions of the CC question paper as always. So you can see from the book. And now if any solutions you are not understanding, then you can ask me from CC question paper. Okay, so next, these are the solution of CC question paper. So next come to the formative assessment. Formative assessment from this area chapter. Now this is today's classwork, student. Okay, this formative assessment is today's classwork. Now I will providing you some solutions for this formative assessment that is given up to question for question chapter number area. I will providing you some solution that is from your RS Agarwal math book. Some solutions. These are the some solutions of RS Agarwal math book, and that is today's classwork for today. Formative assessment area RS Agarwal. Okay. This is the first question. Each side of an equilateral triangle is 8 centimeter. How? Now, okay. So we have to find the altitude of the equilateral triangle. So for that, we are taking the formula of equilateral triangle. That is root 3 by 4 into a square. Now a is the side of the triangle. Root 3 by 4 into 8 square. Okay. Now considering the altitude is x, so half into base into height. This is the area of that triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into 8 square. So this is my required answer. Okay. And similarly here question number 2 is isosceles triangle is given. So each two sides are, we are taking A. Now we have to find BC. Now BC is equal to 2a square. So the perimeter BC square is equal to 2a square. So BC is equal to 2a. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is a plus root 2a. That is 2 plus root a into 2 plus root 2. So basically similarly question number 6. Question number 6. The perimeter sides of the triangle is given, that is 13, 14 and 15 centimeter. So we have to find its area. So 13, 14, 15, and its perimeter is also given 84 centimeter. We have to find its area. Now for that we are taking that each of the sides 13x, 14x, 15x, and we have to compute x, then we have to compute each side, then the area of the triangle. It's clear. Next come to another math. This math is given question number 9. It is given that for an isosceles triangle, one side is to the base is equal to 3:2. One equal side is to the base is equal to 3:2. So find its area. Now for that we have taking one side 3:2, one equal side. If one equal side is to base is equal to 3:2, that means other equal side is to base always equal to 3:2. So my AC, if we are taking like that the triangle, so my AB plus AC is to BC is equal to 3:2:2. Now perimeter is given here 32 centimeter. Okay, perimeter 32 centimeter. So again we are taking 3x plus 2x, that's equal to 32, so x equal to 4. Now so my sides are given, here 12 centimeter, then 12 centimeter, then 8 centimeter. Okay, now we are applying the formula of area, and we have to easily compute the area of the triangle, that is s into s minus a minus b s minus c. Similarly, here also one math is given. The angles are given in the ratio. Angles are given in the ratio. This ratio. We have to find the angles. So these are the angles. Okay. And the sides are given here. So sides are given here. Sides ratio is given here. So we have to find. We have to show that first we have it is given to us that is it a right triangle. We have to prove that. Now for a from this question number 1 we are getting 90 degree. 90 degree means obviously it is a right triangle. Now from question number 2 where the sides are given in the ratio, so these are the sides. So from here we are getting that one side square, that is BC square is equal to AB square plus A square. Both the value are same. BC square is equal to AB square plus A square. So it is happened when this is the Pythagoras triplet. It is happened when the triangle is right triangle. So now I am giving the answer. The answer is the various questions is given along to the condition. This will be the answer of that question. Okay. So this is today's homework, and one next question is given here. The question is this: all the sides, this side is given, and this side is given. We have to find the area of the shaded portion. It is very easy. I have given you some hint. You have to read the hint and you have to solve it yourself. It is very easy question. First you find the area of the bigger triangle, next area of the smaller triangle. You should subtract the area from the bigger triangle to the smaller triangle, then we can find the area of the shaded portion. Very easy. And rest of the math, that is formative assignment, that is your homework. Okay, so that's it for today. Now if you are not understanding from my solution anything, you can ask me that these things I am not understanding. I will help you to understand, and hope you will all understand the CC questions that is given in your book. Go through your books, strictly go through your book. It is very helpful. You cover all the question. I hope you all understand the process. It will be no problem with you. Okay, so though if you have any problem, then ask me. Okay, so that's it for today, and for more please do subscribe my channel. I will come with more educational video. That's it. Thank you.